Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. So today I thought it would be fun to kind of take you along on a day in my life working at my new 9-to-5 job. If you missed this announcement, you can go back a couple videos to hear me talk a little bit more about my process of getting this job and my mindset and all of that. But the gist of it is that I've been hired by a company called Spin Master to run their YouTube channel for one of their new franchises. I've been at it for about 5 weeks now, 6 weeks, I don't know. So we're still getting to the swing of things, but it's been pretty busy lately, so I thought that it would be a fun time to bring you along. So woke up about an hour and a half ago and ended up just reading in bed for a little while with Con. It is now 8:30 and I think him and I are gonna go on a little walk just to get outside for a bit today. And then I have a call at 9:30 that I need to be back for. So let's do it.
Someone set the dumpster on fire and then it caught onto the building.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Wow. So we were wondering why our usual Starbucks we couldn't order from, and apparently there was a fire. Someone set this dumpster on fire over here. Can you guys tell? It's literally melted to the ground. Like there's nothing there. And then, yeah, obviously all up here, the fire like caught onto the whole store. It's so terrible. So much for that. Yep. Could I please get an iced latte sweetened? Thanks, Con.
That looks good. We have that Cobra coming right up.
Iced sweetened latte. Delish. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. There is a full pod of dolphins out there. Like kind of, yeah, there's definitely a ton of them. Like, oh, there you go. Now you guys can see them. There's a huge pod. It's so cute. They've just been hanging out playing there.
In the waves.
So cool. Okay, first and only call of the day complete, which feels really good. It's like a very chill call for me. I did not really say anything at all.
You look cute.
It's really just one of those calls that I was in to collect information more than giving information at all. I don't have that much information to give yet. So main task for the rest of the day is to finish working on this big deck that I'm putting together, which basically has all of our strategy and timelines for the YouTube channel that we're launching. I've been working on this for a couple of weeks. Sent it to my boss last week. He gave me a bunch of feedback, so I've been kind of filling in a bunch of stuff, kind of building it out even more. This is honestly my first time putting together a deck like this. Like obviously I have had a YouTube channel for a long time, but I've never really had to like outline so many things in a deck. So it's been honestly really great to learn kind of how to create something like this. I've kind of really enjoyed it. So that is the big task, is that I want to finish this because I have a check-in call with my boss tomorrow where I'm going to be showing him kind of the progress on all of this and just going over what we're going to be working on for the next week in general, because I think we're going to start scripting on some of the videos so that we can get into some pre-production, as well as working on like a production calendar and stuff like that. So I kind of want to wrap up this for the moment so that we can move on to the next project. So that's gonna be my big task for the day. Quickly though, I need to take a break from that to get my video for today up, because today is Wednesday. So I have a video going up on my channel. So I need to hop into that. All I have to do is upload it, so it shouldn't take too long, but I wanna make sure that I get that up, and then we're gonna hop into this deck that I'm working on. Okay, I officially got my video up, so that is good to go. And now it is 12:15. So I'm kind of thinking that now might be a good time to make some lunch and then come back and work on that deck. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna break. This is kind of my problem. I'm gonna break in the afternoon for a workout at 3:30, but I'll just go back to work after that. It's only a half-hour workout today, so it should be fairly easy to break for and just kind of come back into. So I think I'm gonna make a sandwich, and actually I was in the office yesterday and my boss made this sandwich that I'm gonna make, and it looked really good. So I'm gonna follow his lead. It's a fully veggie sandwich, and it's literally just tomato, cucumber, spinach, and hummus. So yummy. We're running really low on hummus, but that's okay. These nice tomatoes from the farmer's market too. Oh, like look at the inside of that. It looks so good. So juicy. What? What could you possibly be whining about, little miss? You have the perfect life. Oh my God. I just snacked on a piece of this tomato and it's so sweet. It tastes amazing. I can't wait for tomatoes to come even more in season. Yeah, I'm making a sandwich. Let's try a bite of this. So good. Love a veggie sandwich. I swear, every time I leave my desk, this little cat is sleeping on my chair. Ma'am, this is where I sit and work all day. You know this. Crazy. Come on, little baby. I know you don't want to, but it's time to get up. Come on. Okay. There you go. So I'm a big believer that everyone needs desk candy to get them through the afternoon. Just after lunch, it's so nice to just come back and sit at my desk, but like have a little sweet something to snack on. These are my favorite right now, the fruit jellies from Trader Joe's. Funny story, I actually posted these on my story and my caption was misleading for sure. That's on me. But everyone thought that these were edibles, like weed gummies. They're not, they're just from Trader Joe's. But that would be funny if I was just advertising the fact that I'm eating gummies in the middle of the workday. Not that I don't think plenty of people do that, because you can actually be very productive after taking a gummy, depending on the gummy. Oh my God, these are so good. I love them. Okay, it's officially 1 o'clock, and so we need to hop into working more on this deck now. And that's pretty much gonna be the rest of my afternoon. I have started something new, I'm kind of loving, where I've started pulling up like long ASMR videos, like replays of lives, like TikTok lives, and listening to them while I work, and I'm actually loving it. I don't know, it just like gets me really focused. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm gonna pull that up right now. In the afternoon, after lunch, I feel like focus goes all downhill, probably for everyone, but this really helps me combat that. So, where are my AirPods? I'm gonna get those hooked up to my phone. We're gonna get to work on this deck. Okay, 3:31, and it's time to get into our workout now. Molly is like on my block, look at this. Excuse me, ma'am. That's my block. Yeah, I need that now. I know, you're fully lounging on it. I know, baby. I'm so sorry, but I really need this. I'm missing the class. Oh my God. Connor. Go on. Molly is just playing so aggressively all around me right now. It's so funny. Okay, Miss Girl, workout over. Look at your little feeties back there. They're so cute. All curled up. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh, you don't like it? You don't want me to touch? It's like, no, I do not. Oh, ah! I knew it. I knew you were going to do that. Successful workout, and as per usual, I ended up sitting on my mat and responding to emails for a little while. I don't know why I always do that at the end of class, but I do. Now I'm going to spend about another hour working on that deck because I'm really, really close to finishing it. I have to do one more competitor analysis and then just go through the whole thing, proofread, make sure all the formatting looks good, stuff like that. And then I'll have time to actually finish more of that tomorrow. I'm not meeting with my boss until 10:30, so I have a little bit of time there. But ideally, I will get all of it done. Just tonight, I'm gonna work probably until like 5:30-ish. And then call it, and if I need to finish up anything tomorrow morning I can, but I feel pretty confident that I'll be able to wrap up by 5:30. So let's go get this over with. By the way, I noticed that I've been wearing this bra inside out for the whole day, so what are you gonna do? We're officially done. It is, what time is it? 5:37, and we are closing the laptop. Feels so good. I'm actually really tired. I've just been sitting here yawning and yawning and yawning. That was a lot of work on that deck today, but I think it's in a really good place, so feeling good about my boss seeing that tomorrow. And now we get a nice chill night in because actually Connor went out tonight. I told him, hey, I would not argue if you gave me a solo night this week. I could use a little just alone time, and he obliged, which I greatly appreciate. So he just left to go meet up with a friend to watch a basketball game, and we have the place to ourselves, which feels amazing. So what do we want to do with this time? I literally don't even know. I'm not watching anything. There's nothing exciting going on, but I am so excited for a chill rest of the evening. Kind of hungry, but I'm not ready to make dinner yet. I also don't know what I'm going to do for dinner. I think I'm leaning towards making some kind of pasta thing here, which I think will be really yummy. Anyway, I actually bought this on accident this week when I was grocery shopping. I thought I was buying just a small veggie plate, but it ended up being a big veggie plate. But honestly, it's been really nice just having this to snack on. My only complaint is that it doesn't come with a dip or anything, but that's okay because I have my own dip. So we have this hummus and some tzatziki here. So I think I'm gonna snack on some veggies right now. It's been a little while, you guys. I literally got sucked into TikTok and then I realized, oh my God, I hadn't showered yet after my workout. Sometimes that happens to me when I work out in the middle of the day and I have to like hop right back into work. I forget that I worked out and then I need a shower. So I showered and got into some cozy clothes, and by the time I was done with all that, it was almost 8 o'clock, so it was time to start my pasta. So I just finished making my spaghetti and now we're gonna make the sauce. I figured we could do this part together. I think everyone knows how to make spaghetti, right? So I'm just doing it in the same pot that I made my pasta in. I have my pasta off to the side, and I'm going to start by adding in a couple tablespoons of butter. I think 4. Let me turn this light on. There we go. And basically what I'm going to be making is gochujang butter pasta. Gochujang. Sorry if I'm messing that up, but it is, here, I'll show you the one that I have. Mine is from Trader Joe's. It's a spicy red pepper paste. So this is basically gonna be like a spicy butter pasta. I made this the other day and I've just been craving it, so we're making it again. I'm just going to start by melting down some butter, and I'm gonna throw some garlic in there. Good amount. You guys know the drill. Garlic girls. And that's gonna get fragrant like pretty much right away. So now it's time for the gochujang. God, whoa. Here's the one that I have. It just fell upside down, so I feel like it's gonna be kind of messy. And now I'm just going to take a big spoonful and drop it in there. And I'm just gonna let all of that start to melt together. I'll show you what it looks like here. Okay, this is our current status. We are just mixing this in here. And don't worry if it like kind of starts to like separate a little, the two things, because that was happening to me last time and it all worked out. So once you have that pretty well combined, we're gonna add in our spaghetti. Okay, I have all of my pasta here. I'm just gonna throw that in. And I'm going to start to coat the pasta in that. But I also reserved a bit of pasta water, so I'm going to just go ahead and put a little bit of that in there until this combines into a really pretty and silky smooth sauce. You can add as much water as you want to make as much sauce as you want. I personally like to make a little bit of extra sauce because I notice like as it kind of cools down while I'm eating it, obviously the sauce kind of hardens, there's like less of it. I don't know the right way to describe that, but I think you guys probably know what I'm talking about. So I like to make sure there's extra sauce in there to compensate for that happening. But it's not supposed to be like an overly saucy pasta. I think like this level is pretty much how I want mine to be. Wabam. And that sauce literally took 5 minutes to make. It's so easy and it's so good. Let's do a taste test, shall we? This looks so good. I was also worried that I didn't have enough spaghetti. I think it made enough. Whoa, what was that? This is insanely delicious though. You guys have to try this. It's so easy and so good. It's spicy though, so it ought to be cool with spice. It is the end of the night here. I just literally watched Too Hot to Handle all night and ate my pasta, and now it is 10:30. Connor is back home and we are definitely ready for bed. So I'm gonna finish up my skincare and hit the hay, but thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for a little workday in my life 9 to 5 style. This is all still new to me, so it was fun to bring you guys along. I love you all and I'll see you in my next video.